to get the maximum benefits from a PRP hair treatment. PRP Platelet-Rich Plasma hair treatment is a non-surgical and minimally invasive procedure that involves injecting platelet-rich plasma extracted from the patient's own blood into the scalp to stimulate hair growth. Here are some tips to get the maximum benefit from a PRP hair treatment. Choose a qualified and experienced professional. The success of PRP hair treatment largely depends on the skills and expertise of the professional performing the procedure. Choose a qualified and experienced professional who has a good track record of performing successful PRP hair treatments. Follow pre-treatment instructions. Before the treatment, your doctor will provide you with some pre-treatment instruction. It is important to follow these instructions carefully to ensure the best possible outcome. These may include avoiding certain medications and supplements, stopping smoking, and maintaining a healthy diet. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water before and after the treatment can help to maximize the benefit of PRP hair treatment. Adequate hydration helps to improve the circulation of blood and nutrients to the scalp, which can enhance hair growth. Follow post-treatment instructions. After the treatment, your doctor will provide you with some post-treatment instruction. It is important to follow these instructions carefully to ensure optimal results. These may include avoiding certain activities, using specific hair care products, and scheduling follow-up appointments. Be patient. PRP hair treatment is not a one-time solution for hair loss. You may need multiple treatments over several months to achieve the desired results. It is important to be patient and follow the recommended treatment plan to achieve the maximum benefits. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep habits can help to maximize the benefit of PRP hair treatment. A healthy lifestyle can improve blood flow, promote hair growth, and prevent further hair loss. In summary, choosing a qualified professional, following pre- and post-treatment instruction, staying hydrated, being patient, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can help you to get the maximum benefit from a PRP hair treatment.